Good afternoon! So, hapon na and yeah, kaka-start ko lang ng mag-film ng vlog. Oh. So, yun. I'm just starting my vlog today and I'm not styling my hair today, guys, because I don't know. I don't feel like and I don't want to iron my hair because it's not healthy for our hair. So, yun. I'm just waiting for Rookie na naman kasi naliligo pa siya and we need to go buy Sashi's yarn because kulang yung yarn niya. And also, I wanted to do an update on my nails with Nail.a.holics. So, eto yung nails ko, guys. Bakit dye? So, eto yung nails ko, guys, na pinagawa ko sa Nail.a.holic and yan, medyo mahaba na siya. Diba? So, I don't know. I forgot how many weeks na. I'm gonna check. Wait lang. So, yun nga. I wanted to do an update with my nails from Nail.a.holic. So, ito na nga ya. Ito na nga siya, guys. Wow, I'm talking so weird. So, it's been more than 3 weeks. 3 weeks kasi Monday, September 18 yata yun, pinagawa ko siya. So, mga 3 weeks na. So, eto yun. My nails have been growing so fast. Like, ewan ko, how many, I don't know if you can see it well. Yan yung, ano niya, growth niya. So far, I'm satisfied with the gel nail that they have. Kasi hindi man lang, di ba, nakikita niyo guys, hindi man lang nag-chip yung sa ends, yung sa free edge area. Dito lang talaga yung wala nang gel polish, yung sa new growth na lang talaga, di ba? So, yeah, it's very, very worth the price. I guess the package for the foot spa and gel nail is 1.6. So, medyo mura. Instead of getting the separate manicure and pedicure gel nail, it would be a lot expensive. But if you will get the package like hands and feet yata and foot spa, it's only 1,600. So, sulit siya guys kasi 'di ba? Tingnan niyo naman yung kuko ko. Kahit maghugas ng plato or anything na binabasa mo yung yung kamay mo, anything hindi siya nagchi-chip, 'di ba? So, eto yung sa akin, intact pa rin yung sa my free edge area niya, 'di ba? No chipping at all. So, very satisfied with the gel nails from Nail.a.holic. So, if you want your nails done, guys, you better go to Nail.a.holic. Sulit talaga. Hey everyone! Hi ba! Today is Saturday and no class and no makeup, of course. Me and mother's I'm going to do her nails today. I will be doing gel nail on her. Look at my nails, guys. I already removed my gel nail here sa thumb ko. Kasi, I don't know, may, kasi, basta, I feel like, anong tawag dyan? I can't find my words. Basta, it's not comfortable na, basta, may mga edges dito na, so, yun, mag-gel nail kami, and let's see what will I do. Maybe I'll just do French tip on her, I don't know, but I'm planning to extend her nails, like, her nails are short and very thin, so I will be doing gel on her para at least to refrain her from always doing her nails, having it kasi lagi niyang pinupush yung nails niya, guys. So yun lang. And today is a sad day kasi wala kaming phone, we don't have internet, we don't have phone. Dosyo, internet is life. Wala akong makeup, wala din kaming internet tsaka phone. Back to basic tayo, guys. Dosyo ka na. Nangout na lang siya. Oh my God. We don't have internet. Oh. So, yeah. Gawin ko muna yung nails ni Mother, guys, kasi it takes some time to do the nails. So, I will be doing all her nails. So, see you later. Kulo, iki man yung tangan mo kuan. Tangan mo kuan, kanang mataylit.
Wow, paghapon.
Let me see your I'm done building her nails. Her nails are already long. And I already buff using this one and ready for our polish or gel polish color or whatever design that we wanted to do. Yeah. This is we changed her color, guys. If you can see, we started with the maroon one, but we changed it because pangit, it wasn't good. So this is the design that I came up with. Oh, diba? Bongga si Mother, diba? Ano wow. Hindi mo makita ana tanan. Ay kay imo. Ana sa imo lang. Yay! So this is our final design, guys.